A simple and effective way to preserve your food for longer, thanks to our new version of semi-automatic vacuum sealing device. Simply insert the preformed bag into the kit and activate the command. Our cutting-edge PLC system automatically manages every phase of the process, guaranteeing a professional result every time. Suitable for a wide variety of products such as legumes, powders and flours, ground coffee, dried fruit, various granules, spices, nuts, rice, and much more. Our height adjustment system allows you to customize each package. Simply insert the preformed bag into the kit and set the desired height. In a few seconds, you will obtain a perfect vacuum-sealed bag with the exact volume you want. You can seal vacuum bags in a matter of seconds, either in a brick or pillow shape. Unlike other bulky and difficult-to-use systems, our kit has been designed to be compact and easy to move. The wheels allow you to position it anywhere you want, effortlessly. Its ease of use allows you to focus on preparing your food, rather than managing complex machinery. Available with a pedal that activates the vibration function, allowing delicate products that tend to compact to gently descend into the vacuum chamber. In this way, perfect packages can be obtained without damaging the product. Our height adjustment system allows you to customize each package. Simply insert the preformed bag into the kit and set the desired height. In a few seconds, you will obtain a perfect vacuum-sealed bag with the exact volume you want. Dried fruit and granules will retain their freshness and crunchiness for longer thanks to vacuum packaging, while powders and flours will be protected from moisture and external agents. Thanks to vacuum sealing, you can store all your favorite foods for a long time without sacrificing taste and quality. Also available in an ultra-flat version, where flat vacuum-sealed packages are obtained. Our semi-automatic vacuum packaging device is the result of the experience and passion of C.I.A. packing machines, a reference point for practical, reliable, and affordable solutions for packaging a variety of food and non-food products. We provide a variety of solutions to weigh and package a huge range of products, from semi-automatic to fully automated systems. For more information, visit our official website, www.𝒑𝒐𝒖𝒆RL.it, and our video channel, www.𝒑𝒐𝒖𝒆RL.it. C.I.A. Italian Packing Machines. Since 1986, we dress your products worldwide.